Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 21. Using a parking meter.
Excuse me, could you help me figure out how to use this new parking meter?
Sure, it was confusing for me also. Have you ever used a regular meter?
Yes, I understood the old one.
Well, on this one you can use coins or a debit or credit card. Which one would you like to use?
Debit or credit card?
Okay now, do you see what the rate is on the sticker?
Yes.
Okay, now that we know what it will cost, put the money or card into the machine.
Okay, now that we know what it will cost, put the money or card into the machine.
Yes, I can do that.
Wonderful. Now, this machine asks you the number of your spot, so put that in also.
Yes, I'm ready.
All you have to do now is take your receipt and put it on your dashboard.
Whoa, I never saw a meter like this before. How do you use it?
It's simple, once you do it a few times. Do you know how the old one worked?
I never used the parking meter before.
So we start out by deciding whether you will use cash or a credit or a debit card.
Cash.
Fine. Can you read the rate on the display?
Yes, I can.
Fine. Now that we know what they are ripping us off for, insert the payment.
I'd rather not pay, but I have to.
Fine. This machine does not ask you the number of your spot, so we can move on, all right?
Perfect. Let's do it.
Now just check the meter to see how many minutes you have.
This parking meter is really confusing. Can you help me figure it out?
It's just like the old one, but with new stuff added.
Yeah, okay.
The first step is deciding on debit or credit card payment, so which one is it?
I have coins.
Perfect. Now, can you see the rate on the sign?
I didn't see that, but now I do.
Once you know what it will cost, put the payment in.
Here it goes.
You are doing great. Let's move on to the next step.
I am a little confused.
Just make sure that everything registered, and then you are good to go.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.